Hi, today we are gonna do our video on photoresistors. So these photoresistors or detectors are basically a small device. I can just show you here. So these over here, these are basically the basic working of these is like if the intensity of light is more, the resistance is less, and if the intensity of light is less, the resistance is more. So for example, if this room, my light, it's a bit dim, but if I run it in the code, we can just use our LED lights to just know if the intensity is high or low. And this video I'm going to show you to find the intensity of light and also make the LEDs glow according to it. So if there's more intensity of light, there's a there's an yellow LED that I've used, and if the intensity is very low, such as a dark room, the red LED is going to light up. So let's just get to the video. My circuit connection for this particular project. So as you can see, this is the photoresistor that we have. So we have to connect one end of it to the A0 pin, which I've done it here, as you can see, and another pin I've connected it to the 5 volts, so that the 5 volts runs through the photoresistor, and there's another resistance here, resistor here that I've used. So one leg of the resistor is connected to the photoresistor and another one goes for the ground. So here are my LED connections. So my red LED is gonna be in on state when the room is gonna be dark, and that's in other words, the intensity of light is less. And my yellow LED is gonna be in on state if the intensity of light is greater than whatever value we provide. So let's just see the code. Okay, so this is the code. So int light pin is A0, which is my pin for the photoresistor, and light val is what we are going to calculate so that we can know the intensity of light. And my delay time I'm declaring as 250 milliseconds, and my red pin is for the red LED and green pin is for the green LED. So coming to the void setup, we have a 3 pin modes in which the light pin is the input. That's because we are going to read the value of the light pin from the photoresistor, and the outputs are going to be the red or green based on the intensity of light. And we have a serial dot begin because we're going to read the values on a serial port. So coming to the void loop, for calculating or reading the value from the photoresistor, we have written light val is equal to analog read of light pin. I've used analog read here because I've connected to A0, and I'm using the serial port to print the same light value, and I'm just giving a delay time so that we can read the intensity of light, that is the values in the serial port. So its maximum values are going to be more from 0 to 1023. That's a potentiometer value, but we are not using a potentiometer here because there's no need for it. So I have used an if program here. So if at all my light val is like greater than 350, then my green LED should be high and red LED should be low. But I don't have a green LED, so I've just used yellow for the current situation. So here there's another if loop where I've given light value is lesser than 350. So if it's lesser than 350, that means a darker room. My red pin should be in an on state and the green pin should be in a low state. So let's just connect the Arduino board, and let's just look at the results for it. So yeah, right now I've switched off the lights in my room. So as you can see, I wanted the red LED to glow when the intensity of light is lesser than 350. So yeah, so here it is, it's glowing bright. So I'm just going to use my phone torchlight and bring it closer to the photoresistor and try to see if the value goes above 350 and my other LED glows. Yeah, so as you can see right here, my red is in off state and my yellow is glowing. So yeah, the output has come as expected. So if I go back to the off state, dark, the light intensity is reduced, so my red LED is back on. And if I bring back my torch light here, the intensity of light increases and we have our yellow LED on state here. So yeah, this is the end of our program. Thank you.